Are you ready to turn trends into profit? Today, I'm about to unveil a method that not only leverages viral TikTok niches, but also discusses YouTube monetization. This isn't not becoming a millionaire overnight, but rather starting a business with real potential. Stick with me as we explore how simple Reddit stories paired with strategic video production can unlock thousands in revenue. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Setting the stage. Now, let's get started. Creating these Reddit videos is remarkably straightforward. All you need is a convincing narrative, which doesn't necessarily have to originate from Reddit itself, paired with an attention-grabbing element such as Minecraft parkour, Subway Surfers, or GTA 5 gameplay. While many creators opt for Minecraft parkour, diversifying with another theme could be more effective. Additionally, you'll require voiceover and captions. That's all there is to it. Let's dive in and produce a genuine Reddit story video. Following that, I'll demonstrate how to incorporate different narratives into your content strategy. Step 2, getting started with CapCut. To begin, visit CapCut.com. Next, choose Edit Video Online to access CapCut's online editing tools. Following this, you'll need to set up an account. If you have a Gmail account, simply click Continue with Google, select your account, and then click Skip. Step 3. Search for material. Next, let's proceed to make our background video. Begin by searching for Minecraft parkour gameplay on YouTube. You'll find numerous videos available for use. I'll personally select a 13-minute clip. To download it, search for MP4 YouTube Downloader on any website, paste your video link, and click Start. From there, select your preferred video quality and click Download. Step 4. Editing with CapCut. Now that the background video is prepared, let's proceed with uploading the background video. Click on Upload, then select From this device. Choose the previously downloaded file. While the video uploads, let's locate the Reddit story for our project. Access Reddit and explore various subreddits for stories. I suggest visiting Confession, a subreddit where users share their personal confessions. Filter the stories by selecting Top for the most popular ones, and then All Time to find the most compelling narratives. You'll encounter a range of intriguing options to consider. Note that some stories may have intense themes. For our video, I'll select a straightforward one to use. Take a screenshot of the title using the snipping tool on Windows, or press Shift plus Command plus 4 on Mac to capture and save it. Once done, go back to CapCut and add the background video to the sequence, removing any initial black segments. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:6 for a shorter format from the top left corner, resizing it to fit the screen and centering it. Return to the media section. Upload the screenshot from Reddit. Position it by moving it upward and resizing it slightly smaller. Select it. Apply a right swing animation under Animate. Step 5. Adding voiceovers. Now, let's transition to the voiceover phase of our video production. Begin by accessing the Captions feature and selecting Manual Captions within CapCut. Head back to Reddit, where you'll copy the title of the chosen story and paste it into CapCut. Proceed by clicking Add to insert segments of the narrative one after another until the entire story is being imported. Once the captions are in place, it's time to enhance them with the text-to-speech function. Choose your preferred voice that best complements the content and click Apply for All to ensure consistency throughout the video. Finally, organize the voiceovers in the desired sequence to maintain a cohesive flow that relates with your audience. This process not only adds depth to your narrative, but also enhances viewer engagement by delivering a clear and compelling message. Step 6. Adding captions. Now, let's proceed with generating captions for our video. There are two methods available, the free option using CapCut and the premium choice offered by Submagic, known for its enhanced ease of use and superior quality. Let's start with CapCut. Navigate to Auto Captions and select Generate. Once the captions are created, apply these settings to the initial segment. Choose for the pop-up animation effect, which displays captions word by word for clarity and engagement. Once satisfied with the result, click on Export, then Download, and finally export again to finalize the process and ensure your captions are seamlessly integrated into the video. Step 7. Create B-roll. What exactly is a B-roll? Well, B-roll refers to supplementary footage that is intercut with the main footage in a video production. It's often used to provide visual context, illustrate points, or add variety to the storytelling. B-roll footage can include things like establishing shots, close-ups, action shots, or any footage that enhances the main narrative of the video. For example, in a documentary about a city, B-roll might include footage of landmarks, street scenes, or people going about their daily lives, which are inserted between interviews or main narrative segments to provide context or visual interest. Now let me introduce you to an improved method for creating captions and enhancing your video with B-roll footage, effects, and sounds. We'll utilize Submagic for this. To begin, log into your Submagic account. From there, click on Create. Ensure you've exported the video we previously made without captions and upload it to Submagic. Once uploaded, the video will be automatically transcribed as demonstrated in the tutorial. I'll experiment with various caption styles to find the most suitable one for this story. While all options are effective, I'm leaning towards the William style for its suitability. Feel free to customize it further if desired, though it seems perfect as is for me. Now, let's include additional footage to enhance the video. I'll incorporate a biking scene here and a chili scene in another segment. You can choose any visuals that relate to your story. Feel free to insert transitions and add sound effects as well. For a more comprehensive guide on using these features, refer to this video. Once you've completed editing, click on Export. Now let's watch the video.
Tifu and looked up my 20-year-old crush. The other night I was buzzed and struck with boredom. I looked for my high school crush on socials. I graduated over 20 years ago. I wasn't finding him, so I did a general search on Google.
If you prefer to use a story not found on Reddit, this method is widely adopted by content creators. Here's an example of what I created using this approach. Now, take a look at this channel I discovered. They're generating significant revenue with minimal effort, employing the same strategy we discussed earlier. Let's watch a segment of their video to illustrate.
At a family reunion with a bunch of my relatives. Me and a few of my cousins are hanging out in the jacuzzi, and my sister is there as well.
Their content consists of short videos presented in a long-form format, allowing them to achieve high RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. Last month alone, this channel garnered 1 million views and earned approximately $44,000 in ad revenue. We've explored a powerful method for creating engaging content using Reddit stories and strategic video production techniques. By leveraging platforms like TikTok and YouTube, you can tap into viral trends and monetize your efforts effectively. Whether you're starting a new venture or looking to enhance your current content strategy, the steps outlined here, from finding compelling stories to enhancing them with captivating visuals and captions, provide a clear path to success. As we come to the end of this journey, I'd love to hear from you. What types of content do you find most engaging on platforms like TikTok and YouTube? Whether it's inspiring stories, practical tutorials, or entertaining challenges, your feedback helps shape our future content. Join the conversation and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your input not only guides us, but also creates a community where we can learn and grow together. For more strategies on maximizing your content's profitability and staying ahead digitally, don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus. We're dedicated to sharing valuable insights and actionable tips to help you thrive online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.